Remain seated and come to order. Department 47 is now in session.
It's a familiar sound inside Sacramento County Superior courtrooms, but the path to the bench for this judge wasn't clear-cut.
I sort of just chose law, not because I'd done an undergraduate course study, not because I had relatives, because it was one of the options that was provided to me.
Last month, Judge Bunmi Awanyi marked her anniversary as the first Black presiding judge for the Sacramento County Superior Court. Her first year filled with lessons and triumphs.
Informative, enlightening, exhilarating, challenging, exceeded my expectations in many positive ways.
Her journey began far from Sacramento. Born in England to Nigerian immigrants, she was the eldest of 5 children. Her parents stressed that perseverance was a core value.
The cultural lessons that they had to learn, trying to integrate and keep their cultural identity, the financial resources that they lacked, the lack of extended family help and support. But those now are sacrifices that I can appreciate.
After years of working in England's legal system, the U.S. offered her a new frontier through a program for promising young lawyers to represent their home country abroad.
I was one of 2 people to be selected, and I chose America as an international Pegasus.
Her first stop? Sacramento, where after the program ended, she decided to stay, but not without challenges like just getting a job.
They didn't understand the English legal system and the qualifications or how I got there.
Eventually, she started her own law practice at this building in Sacramento's Oak Park. After 18 years as a family law attorney, she's now spent more than a decade as a judge. But her volunteer work off the bench crosses continents.
These are the faces of the children that I work with. This is in Uganda. This is in Ethiopia.
As head of global outreach for her church, she's led teams to Africa to build a school.
If I can give these children and we can help provide a school for them, then they're going to have more opportunities.
The Honorable Judge Bunmi Awanyi, a leader in justice, paving the way for future generations. In Sacramento, I'm Brandy Cummings, KCRA 3 News, celebrating Black history.
The court is preparing to move out of its 60-year-old building. The new $514 million courthouse in downtown Sacramento is expected to be ready by early fall. Judge Awanyi says the greatest challenge will be trying to figure out how to move and keep operations running at the same time.